everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have an update for the Painter's Pan. This is a project that I've been doing since September 1st of 2020. I think it is a beautiful project. It was created by Liz, who used to be Kooky Pans. She's Shiny Happy Pans now over on Instagram. I love the premise of this project, but I'm struggling with this one just because like I've said in past updates, I literally stress myself out trying to find products for panners because a lot of them I don't know in real life. Some of them I do, and I absolutely love them, but some of them, like, I don't have the same collections and I don't know the nuances of who they are, so I really struggle to find products for people, and it stresses me out to no end. I love panning, and I want to pan, and I want to pay homage to so many beautiful panners, but I just don't need stress in my life. So that is why I'm winding this one down. I did say when I originally decided that I was winding this project down that I was going to finish everything that I had in here to give each panner that I have put into the project a chance to, you know, get their product finished. And I'm going to do that. I'm not there yet, but I am much closer this time. Let's see. I have 1, 2, 3 products and panners rolling out. 2 of them are finished products. 1 is a gourmet, and then I have 3 more other panners still in that will continue on at least until next month. Though, at least, I think at least 2 more months, probably. Thinking maybe the end of March, end of April, something like that. That's kind of like, I don't want to say the goal because I'm not trying to like kick anyone out here or anything, but that is my prediction. That's the word that I was looking for. That is my prediction for this. So let's go over the ones that are rolling out. And the first one is going to be Dora. You know her as Fuchsia Soul. She's the one that I keep saying should be in ASMR. You need to do it, Dora. She is doing the No Buy Project pan, like her version of it. And for her, I decided to pick a product from a No Buy category for me. And that was lipstick, bullet lipstick. And even if I had 0, that would probably be a No Buy category for me. So this is the e.l.f. Moisturizing Lipstick in Winged Pink. And I used it primarily as a cream blush. I did use it on my lips, but it was mostly a cream blush. So everything that you see here is the plastic. There is stuff down in the base. I have not dug that out yet. I will be doing that. So at some point, this is going to show up in a Franken Friday when I'm melting stuff together. But I haven't done it yet. I did just do a video. It literally just went up. Of me melting some lip balms together. I am not sure I love the texture of those, so I may refranken one of them that's in a tube and add the base in to make a tinted lip balm, because this might help improve the texture of it. And see, that's the whole reason I frankened that one in the first place, but I digress. This is not a freaking Friday video. So this lipstick, for all intents and purposes, is done for this project. So Dora is going to be rolling out. Next up is Metropolitan Creole and Sophie. I don't know what her name is on Instagram. I've always followed her on YouTube. I'm pretty sure she's on Instagram, but I'm on there so infrequently I don't really know. Anywho, her favorite color is red. Just from watching her over time, I heard her mention that one time. One time I heard her mention that, so I'm like, okay, I can pick something red for her. See, this is the struggle for me. So I picked a Buxom lip gloss in Cherry Flip for her, and it's done. It is done. Stoppers out. I scraped out as much as I could possibly get out of this thing, and it's done. I did enjoy it. I'm pretty sure I have 2 or 3 more of these in my collection, so yeah, it's not like I'm gonna miss it because I have so many other Buxoms. And the last one is Gourmet, and that is for Lavender Web. I only know of her being on Instagram. I don't think I've ever seen her on YouTube, but I absolutely love her name that she uses on there. If that's her given name, that is awesome. I suspect it's not, but I don't know that because, you know, people get creative with names these days. So, yeah, just Lavender Web. It just sounds beautiful and mysterious. I don't know. There's something about it that I absolutely love. But, so I chose her product based on her name, and that is this liquid eyeshadow from Lucky Chick, and it is in the shade Dusty Lav. Of course, Lav is short for lavender because it is kind of a dusty lavender color. And I just had this in for usage, and I was able to meet those 10 uses. And I'm gonna miss this one. I enjoyed it so much. It is such a pretty color. I'm gonna swatch it here for you, and you can see just how pretty it is. Of course, this lighting is not doing it any justice, but it is beautiful. I have worn it all over my lids. I've worn it on my inner corners. It's just stunning. I am going to be excited for the day when I actually put this in a project to finish. I'm going to use the heck out of it. But now is not that time because I have so many other liquid and cream things that I'm trying to work on this year. But I enjoyed it quite a bit. All right, so that is everyone that is rolling out. Now, I have 3 more people in. 2 of them have been in here forever and a day, because I picked products that were stupid hard. And yeah, that's on me. But I'm going to finish them. Even if it takes me another year, I'm going to finish them. So the first one is going to be for Andrea. She's pretty as a peacock. And for her, I chose an eyeshadow because she does gorgeous eye looks. I don't know where she's been. I hope she's okay. And I hope she starts posting again. I feel like a bunch of people at once stopped posting, and I miss them. I really do miss them. So anywho, long story short, I chose Bare Minerals Lime for her. Hopefully you can see there is definitely big pan in there. I have since Frankendist from the original color, only slightly. I put like a little bit of gold color into it to make it a little easier to use with other things, and I have hit pan in it again. So I'm just going to keep working on this. I do think it's going to take a couple of months at least, but it's going to stay in until it is. Then the next one is also an eyeshadow, brought in at the same time, I believe, and that is for Jenn. She is with Project Beauty, and she's my neighbor to the north. She's up in Canada, and she also does some amazing eye looks. So of course I brought an eyeshadow in for her. This is a Coastal Scents Hot Pot, and this is in Forest Eve. It is a beautiful deep green color. I had to repress this, and you can see I've already hit pan on it again, but there's still a ton of product in here, so I need to wear this a lot. I need to start wearing it more. I need to start focusing on it more. Who knows, maybe, you know, since St. Patrick's Day is coming up in March, maybe I'll get a lot of usage around that time. It's not going to be enough to finish it, I know, but hopefully I'll be feeling the greens and wanting to get a lot of that done. Maybe the luck of the Irish will help me get it done. I don't know. I'm only half Irish, so maybe I'm only half lucky. We'll have to wait and see. Last product that I'm going to show you, and the last product that I have left, is for Little Gemini Doll. I have a hard time saying that. My tongue doesn't want to do it, but she is on Instagram, and she did Oh My Pan 200 with me and Misty, and she did amazing with that. So I picked this palette. It is the Majesty palette. It's a highlighter palette from Shop Miss A, and I wanted to hit pan and everything in there. There's 6. I had 1 pan originally, so I just wanted to hit pan in the other 5. And I had, let's see, 3 I think, the last update. And then as of earlier today, I had 4, and now I actually have 5. I hit another one, though the 5th one, you can hardly see it. I'm going to put it real close to the camera so you can, but I'm going to be continuing to work on that shade because I want it to be a little bit bigger. So this one was the pan that I had before I started. Then I hit this one. Then I think the white one. Yeah, it was the white one that I hit next. And you can see that is pretty sizable pan there. It's hard to tell because it's white and silver together. There is a decent sized pan there for a highlighter. Then I hit it in pink since the last update. You can see it there. And I don't know if it's going to show, but I did hit it right here in this mustard yellow. Let me get it a little bit closer. It's probably not going to want to focus, but it is there. But like I said, it's hard to see, and I like my pans where they're very visible, and I'm going to continue working on it. I actually do have it on my face today. What I have been doing is dipping into the pink, dipping into the yellow, dipping into the pink, into the yellow, back into the pink. Not always that many times, but I always hit the pink first and last, just so I don't look like I have mustard smeared on my face like I ate a sandwich and I got a little bit messy and it's all on my cheeks. That's not the look that I'm going for. So I'm going to continue working on the pink and continue working on the yellow just until I have this pan big enough that it is extremely obvious when you see it that it is pan, just like everything else. Did I mention this? This was my second one. It's right in there. What is going to happen once this yellow highlighter has pan that is very visible? I'm going to stop working on those two, and then I am going to be focusing on this darker shade right here. It is way too dark for me. In the summer, I might be able to get away with it, but I don't know. Can you see? It's pretty dark. Yeah, she's dark. She is. And of course, I don't have anything here to wipe it off. But what I'm going to do is, when it comes time to work on this one, I'm going to be doing the same thing with the white and this darker shade as I am with the pink and the yellow, because they do kind of offset each other a little bit, and it makes it a little bit neutral, more neutral, so that I can eventually get the pan on this one. My ultimate goal for this, once it's out of this project, I'm contemplating already for next year, which is crazy pants, maybe panning this whole thing. If I decide that I want to do that, I'm actually just going to franken the white with the dark and then the yellow with the pink and make my life a little bit easier. I think that probably will work out really nice, but you never know till you actually get the franking going on. But since I'm using them together already, it makes sense just to combine them and make my life easier, because, you know, work smarter, not harder. All right, that is everything for this update. I do have everyone linked down below that I have talked about today, as well as all of the panners that I have had in the past in this project. So if you want to go check them out, they're going to be right down there. And I guess that is everything. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.